Welcome to Listen Practice in English.
Hi, mind if I join you? The cafe's pretty crowded today.
Not at all. Please have a seat. I'm Liam, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Liam. I'm Emma. So, what do you do?
I'm a software engineer. I work at a tech startup downtown. How about you?
Oh, cool. I'm a graphic designer, freelancing for now. I'm 28. How old are you?
I just turned 30 last month. Time flies.
It really does. So, where are you from originally?
I was born in a small coastal town called Brighton. My family still lives there. My parents and my younger sister. What about you?
I'm from Manchester. Big city vibes. My parents are doctors, and I have an older brother who's a teacher.
Nice. How long have you been living here?
About 3 years now. I moved here for work opportunities. At first, it was overwhelming, but now I love the energy of this city. How about you?
Same, actually. I've been here for 4 years. It took some time to adjust, but now I can't imagine living anywhere else.
Exactly. So, what brings you to this cafe today?
I come here every weekend to read and relax. Right now, I'm also preparing for a marathon. It's my new hobby.
Wow, that's impressive. I prefer jogging and painting in my free time. Oh, and I love trying new restaurants. Food is my weakness.
Same here. Though I dislike cooking, so I eat out a lot.
I get that. Do you hang out with friends often?
Yeah, my college friends live nearby, so we meet up weekly. My family visits sometimes too. You?
Most of my friends are from work, but my brother visits often. Family and friends keep me grounded.
That's great. It was really nice meeting you, Emma.
You too, Liam. Maybe we'll run into each other again.
Definitely. Enjoy your coffee.